The world tells us you are blessed when you are strong. You are blessed when you are rich, when you are successful. But Jesus stands on the mountain and says something very different. He says, "Blessed are the poor in spirit. Blessed are those who mourn. Blessed are the meek." In simple words, Jesus is saying this: God is closest to those who know they need Him. Not the perfect, not the loud, but the tired, the gentle, the one who keep trusting even when life is heavy. So, if today you feel weak, or you feel unsure, or quietly struggling, the gospel says you are blessed. So, do not be afraid of your weakness. Bring it to Jesus. Because in the eyes of God, that is where grace begins. Amen.